Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing my name is Nur Aliza Riyatianti from the Office Administration Education, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta 2021. On this occasion, I will present my research proposal entitled The Influence of Digital Literacy, Motivation, and Self-Efficacy on the Work Readiness of Students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Preparing qualified graduates is an important role of vocational high school. The 2020 and 2024 curriculum state that SMK school produce graduates who are ready to enter the world of work, can work in company, be employed, or can become entrepreneurs. From the result of research that I have conducted with 17 students from grade 11 and grade 12 Office Management SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta regarding student work readiness. It showed that as many as 6 out of 17 students answered yes on the ground that they want to learn to develop in a dynamic environment and want to achieve success for the future. 10 students out of 17 were hesitant to enter the world of work for several reasons. One of which was because they had little concord about how to the work environment was different for life at school and so on. And one of 17 students answered no because they were still not ready to enter the world of work and still want to play with school friends. According to Azaki, in their research, they found that work readiness can be influenced by several factors, namely self-efficacy, motivation to enter the world of work, and social support. Meanwhile, according to Rosa, the factor of work readiness are motivation, personality, skill, knowledge about the work of work, guidance from parents, and so on. In addition to the factor already mentioned, the world of work at this time really needs digital literacy. And uh, from the result of research that has been conducted by researchers, it showed that the factor that most influence student majoring in office management. The highest category are digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy. So, with the result of the pre-research, researchers use the variable of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy. Problem formula. First, is there an effect of digital literacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Second, is there an influence of motivation on work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Third, is there an effect of self-efficacy on work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? And the fourth, is there an influence of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta? Research objective. First, this research aims to determine the effect of digital literacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Second, this research aims to determine the effect of motivation on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. The third, this research aims to determine the effect of self-efficacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. And the fourth, These research aim to determine the effect of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Research benefit. First, for researchers. This research is useful for increasing research understanding of the topic of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on work readiness. Besides that, the research in the study can also add to the experience and insight of researchers in writing scientific papers. Second, for Jakarta State University. The result of this study can be used by educational institutions as an additional source of literature and also as additional reference for other researchers studying the topic of digital literacy, motivation, self-efficacy, and work readiness. Third, for readers, it is hoped that the result of this study can provide knowledge and increase insight into digital literacy, motivation, self-efficacy, and work readiness for students. Supporting theory, work readiness. Work readiness can be defined as how ready someone is to enter the world of work. Someone who is ready to work means that he can practice activity in the world of work. Kalau baru and worker, the term work readiness describes how graduates perceive behavior and attributes acquired can support in success in the workplace. Digital literacy. Digital literacy is an ability to use computer technology that is needed by students or the wider community. According to UNESCO, digital literacy is a skill that not only involves the ability to use ICT device, but also the ability to socialize, have an attitude, think critically, creatively, and inspire as digital competence. Motivation. Motivation is the desire within a person to be able to do something according to their needs. According to motivation is an encouragement contained in a person to try to make change in behavior that are better in meeting their needs. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is a belief in himself to be able to carry out a job so as to produce a certain goal. According to Bandura, defines self-efficacy as an individual belief in his ability to perform action to achieve certain result or goals. Pre-research result. 1. The effect of digital literacy on student job readiness. Juliana Putra and Supriyansa, Panjaitan and Purnama et al. Reports that digital literacy has a significant influence on work readiness. Students with a high level of digital literacy, they will be better prepared to enter the workforce. Second, the effect of motivation on student job readiness. Pembajang, Rahmadani, dan Nurjana reports that motivation has a significant influence of work readiness. Work motivation is in entering the work of work can affect the amount of effort from within students to be accepted into the work of work. Third, the effect of self-efficacy on student job readiness. Enough and India reports that self-efficacy has a significant influence on work readiness. High self-efficacy will make them more prepared to face the work of work. And the fourth, the influence of digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy on job readiness. Budiarti et al. Reports that digital literacy, self-efficacy, and motivation have a positive and significant influence on work readiness. But Adelia et al. Reports that digital literacy, self-efficacy has an effect on work readiness, but motivation has no effect on work readiness. Research from work. Digital literacy affect work readiness, motivation affect work readiness, and self-efficacy affect work readiness. And digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy affect work readiness. Research hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, digital literacy affects student work readiness. Hypothesis 2, motivation affects student work readiness. Hypothesis 3, self-efficacy affects student work readiness. Hypothesis 4, digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy influence student work readiness. Research methodology. Time and place of research. Time. This research over a period of time is required to collect the necessary data to answer the research question. This research began in early October 2024. Press research. This research was conducted at SMK Negeri Bogor. Research design. In this study, researchers used survey research method. In the survey method, the sample used in this method use a relatively small sample. Quantitative methods are used by researchers to solve actual large-scale issues, and the population needs in research using survey method must be large. Population and sample. The population in this study was 100 students from class 11 and class 12 majoring in office management at SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. According to Sugiono, population is the generalization area in research. This region contains items or topics whose results are obtained from drawing conclusions. Details in the population used in this study are listed in the following table. Population and sample. Determining the number of samples in this study using the Taro-Yamane formula. The Taro-Yamane formula is a statistical method used to calculate the number of samples in research by valuing in bias affect a large population. Instrument development. The scale used in this study is using a Likert scale. The Likert scale is used to indicate the respondent level of agreement with a series of statements given. The category on the Likert scale are as follows. Instrument development. Work readiness. Work readiness conceptual definition can be defined as work readiness can be defined as how ready someone is to enter the work of work. Someone who is ready to work means that he can practice activity in the work of work. Operational definition. Work readiness can be measured by several indicators obtained by several experts, namely Pu and Sewell, Fitrianto, Salmetto, Brady, Seila, Sofian, and Prasetya. Indicators of work readiness in this study that researchers took, namely knowledge, responsibility, ability to cooperate, have a critical attitude and skill. Digital literacy is an ability to use computer technology that is needed by students or the wider community. Digital literacy is also a core of competency that needs to be improved by learn from various files and age level. Indicator of digital literacy research take from accept carried by Bowden, Gilster, Hague, and Payton, Japeldi, and Joint Information System Community. The digital literacy indicator in this study are basic computer and information technology skill, hypertextual navigation, content evaluation, knowledge assembly, and collaboration. Motivation. Motivation is the desire within a person to be able to do something according to their needs. The needs in question are physiological, safety, social appreciation, and self-actualization. Motivation can be measured by several indicators obtained by several experts, namely according to Yuno, Maslow, Robin Angel, Hamza, Mahfunegara, and Hasibuan. The indicators of motivation in this study that researchers took were the desire and interest in entering the world of work, the existence of work, an idea, a good environment, and interesting activity, physical needs, and work. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is a belief in himself to be able to carry out a job so as to produce a certain goal. Self-efficacy can be measured by several indicators obtained by several experts, namely Bandura, Bond, and Smith, based with Hans and Lifestyle. The indicator of self-efficacy in this study that resources take are level, strength, confident that they can do broad tasks or specific tasks, optimistic, confidence that they can be motivated themselves. Data collection technique. The data used in this study use the result of survey, questionnaire, and short interview. The questionnaire in this study is closed with answer option ranging from stronger disagree to stronger disagree. Respondents were asked to give their honest answer. The options on the questionnaire were number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The resources use official document publication, including book, national, and journal, international journal. Data collection to questionnaire will be analyzed using descriptive statistical method and regression analysis. Descriptive statistical method will be used to analyze the distribution of result variable, while regression analysis is used to test results hypothesis and determine the extent to which digital literacy, motivation, and self-efficacy affect the work readiness of students of SMK Negeri 12 Jakarta. Okay, that's all the presentation regarding the content of my research proposal. Thank you for your attention. I close my present today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.